Hello Linux Explorers. Welcome to day 3 of our daily Linux series. Today, we're diving into something both exciting and slightly mysterious. The terminal. Don't worry, by the end of this video, it'll feel like your friendly command center. The terminal is where Linux really shines. It's powerful, fast, and lets you do things that sometimes take multiple clicks in the graphical interface. Let's start with the very basics. Open your terminal. On Linux Mint, you can press ctrl+alt+t or find it in the menu under Accessories. First, let's check where we are. Type pwd. That stands for Print Working Directory. Hit Enter, and you'll see the path of your current folder. By default, this is your home directory. Next, let's see what's inside this folder. Use ls, you'll get a list of all files and folders. Want more detail? Try ls-flag-l. Here you'll see file sizes, permissions, and dates. Very handy when organizing your workspace. Speaking of organizing, let's create a new folder. Type mkdir my projects. Boom! That folder is now in your home directory. Navigate into it with cd my projects. Notice how the prompt changes? Now we're inside my projects. To go back up one level, use cd. A super useful command is cp for copying files. Suppose you have a file called tryit.txt and want a backup. cp tryit.txt backup _ tryit.txt. And if you want to move it somewhere else, maybe into a folder called docs, mv tryit.txt docs/. Want to delete a file? Be careful here. rm backup _ tryit.txt. File's gone forever. So double check before pressing enter. Lastly, the terminal also helps you explore your system visually. Combine commands with tree if installed. Sudo apt install tree. You'll see your folder structure beautifully displayed, almost like a map of your computer. That's it for today's terminal basics. With just a few commands, pwd, ls, mkdir, cd, cp, mv, rm, and tree, you can already navigate and organize files like a pro. In the next video, we'll explore text editors and simple scripts, but for now, open your terminal, play around, and see how much faster things feel when you use the command line.